Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cube Tech English channel. So in this video we're going to talk about that how you can manage your YouTube content, right? Because this is a long process from creation of the video, from editing to going your videos live. This is a long process, right? So you have to manage it, otherwise it can convert into a chaos. So let's get started. So in WS Cube Tech, that is our channel, hundreds of videos are being recorded and edited and going live in a day or in a week, right? So it's a huge data for us and we have to manage it accordingly, right? So today I'm going to talk about that how you can maintain a sheet or maintain some information so that you can manage your data in the future and to make this process going smoothly, right? So basically I use the Google Sheet, but you can do it in Excel also. But Google Sheet, I would recommend Google Sheet because it is really easy to create, as well as you can share it with more people, and whenever you'll edit your sheet, it will get automatically be updated on all the systems, right? So let's get started. First of all, we'll start with writing Google Sheets or Google Spreadsheet, you can call it, right? So I'm going to type Google Sheet. You can just select this particular option, or you can just simple copy the URL like google.com/sheets. Yeah, you can do that. All right. So there are, you can just create a document or sheets or slides and forms. Or and again, I'm saying you can do this process in Excel also, but I would recommend Google Sheets, right? Okay. So we are going to go to Google Sheets. Another is the workplace, but I won't talk about this right now in this video. So first of all, there are so many things you can do. You can create a calendar or the monthly budget or the annual budget or the to-do list, right? But I'm going to go for this blank sheet, right? So let's just click on that and here is our sheet. So first of all, you can go for the serial number or the number of your video. Then you can just write the code of your video, right? Basically here in WS Cube Tech, we give code to every video because there are so many subjects, there are so many topics taught by many teachers, many faculties, right? So it's a quite a difficult task to manage all the thing. So that's why we give code to every video. So whenever it goes to editor, right? So editor knows that which video he is editing or what information does he need, right? So next section I'm gonna keep is like title of my video, or you can keep it like title. Then the recording date, when you recorded your date, right? That should be in data, right? So recording date I'm writing. Other than that, after doing a recording date, you have to give some remarks, right? In remarks, basically I explain my editor that what links I want in my description or in the I button, right? Because you have heard me saying like link in the description box, link in the I button, or link in the description box, you can just check the video from out. So I write basically in this section, I write basically which links I want in my that particular video or in my description box, right? So I'm making a section like remarks. Then I'm adding another section that is editing, right? So this is for the editor. Whenever editor will edit my video, he has done with my video, he will just check this particular out, that done or not done, right? And this is like editing date. Okay, this is for the editor so that he can just check out. If you are the only one person army, right? So if you are recording, you are the one who's recording, you are the one who's editing, still you have to keep this column in your sheet, right? Because you are gonna edit it, but you will get confused that which video you have recorded or which you are editing, right? So this is really important. Okay, after that you can just there's a one important thing that you have to add, that is thumbnail. No matter whether you are making your own thumbnails or you are just outsourcing it, you are giving it someone, so just share this sheet with him and he'll understand. Or for example, you have created the video 1 on 1st of September, right? But you are creating editing it in last of the September, and you are creating thumbnail at that particular time. So from that long time you have to watch your whole video in order to create thumbnail, right? So just to save the time, just whenever you record a video, just write that what kind of thumbnail will go with this video, or what is the content of that particular video, right? So I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna, let me adjust it, right? So I'm just increasing the size. All right, so you can just customize its size accordingly, and you can just be it colorful, you can play with the colors, right? So there are so many things you can do, just like the Excel, right? So just customize it nicely and just start creating your content. Right now, I'm going to show you one example, right? This is my sheet. Okay, so here is this sheet, right? This is the, as you know, that last code which was uploaded by me on in this channel was Pinterest, right? So this is a video sheet of the Pinterest. The first thing is like serial number, right? So this is my serial number, like 123, as you can see. And this is the code of my videos, right? Because this is H for the Harmeet, and DM is digital marketing. So Harmeet digital marketing 01, this is the code of my video, and this is the topic of my video created. And basically I have taken like two dates, because this is the expected recording date and this is the actual date on which I have recorded this particular video. This is my recording status, right? This video hasn't been recorded, right? So I haven't checked it, right? So you can see that this is the link of the YouTube, right? Whenever editor does that, and he just put a link out there. And this is the last thing, that is the thumbnail. As you can see that what are the things that I want in the thumbnail of this particular video, right? So I have written like Pinterest for your interest, right? And all the things. So whenever the editor will see this, he'll understand. You don't have to just watch my video completely in order to create the thumbnail. So he'll just read it out and create the thumbnail, right? So this is an example. You can just create your own sheet. You can just customize all the things at your own, whatever suits your comfortability, right? So I hope that this video was useful for you. You're gonna just start your content you're gonna just start creating your content, right? So all the best for that, and do subscribe to our channel so you don't have to miss a video. And if there's any question, any query, you can just comment down. Thank you so much.